Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS Systems Manager agent properly, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the AWS Systems Manager agent, first, log into the instance where the agent is installed. Open the command line interface or terminal. Check if the Systems Manager agent is currently running by using the command for your operating system. For Linux instances, use the command sudo system status Amazon SSM agent. For Windows instances, open PowerShell and run get service Amazon SSM agent. If the service is active, stop it before proceeding with the uninstallation. On Linux, run sudo system stop Amazon SSM agent. On Windows, execute stop service Amazon SSM agent. Next, locate the method for uninstallation based on your operating system. For Linux, use the package manager corresponding to your distribution. For Amazon Linux, run sudo yum remove Amazon SSM agent. For Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get remove Amazon SSM agent. For Windows, open Control Panel and navigate to Programs and Features. Find Amazon SSM agent in the list, right-click it. For Linux, check with sudo system status Amazon SSM agent. For Windows, return to Programs and Features and confirm it's no longer listed. If necessary, remove any residual files or settings related to the agent. Check for configuration files in typical locations for your operating system. Finally, restart your instance to ensure all changes take effect smoothly. That's the complete process for uninstalling the AWS Systems Manager agent properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step